Everyone in that courtroom thought it would be over in minutes. A teenage girl, no lawyer, just a school uniform and glasses. But what they didn't know was that they were about to witness the takedown of a seasoned police officer by a 17-year-old with nothing but a binder and a voice. Officer Rick Donnelly smirked when he saw her. Just a teenager in flats and a school blazer, walking into court like it was a classroom debate. No lawyer beside her, no parent in the gallery, just her. He leaned back in his seat and whispered, "This'll be quick." He had no idea he was watching the start of his own unraveling. Ariel Manning didn't look like trouble. Glasses slipping down her nose, hair in a tight bun. But she walked in with the calm precision of someone who had already read the final chapter while the rest were still on page 1. She was charged with obstructing justice after speaking up during a violent arrest at her high school. Officer Donnelly had slammed her classmate face first into a fence. Ariel didn't interfere. She simply asked, "What are you doing?" and started recording. For that, she was cuffed, thrown into a cruiser, and written up. But while Donnelly assumed she'd take a plea deal, Ariel was building a case. Every night, after her mother's shifts at the VA hospital, she cleared the kitchen table and opened her binder. It grew thick, color-coded tabs, annotated laws, police records, contradictions highlighted in red and blue. She taught herself courtroom language, memorized cross-examinations, and practiced her statements until the borrowed tablet overheated on trial day. The room was full. Teachers, her classmate D'Angelo, even a reporter. Donnelly still looked relaxed. Why wouldn't he? He'd seen kids like her fold in minutes. But Ariel wasn't like the others. She began, "I'm not a lawyer. I don't pretend to be. But I know what I saw, and I know what I lived." Then came her cross-examination. "You said I was a threat, but I was 12 feet away." Correct. She played the video, shaky but clear. Her voice was calm, not confrontational. That Donnelly's story unraveled. She pointed out inconsistencies, exposed lies in the police report, and told the judge, "I'm not just defending myself. I'm showing a pattern of targeting people who ask questions. I'm not his first stop, just the first one who brought a binder." The courtroom went silent. The judge called a recess. When he returned, his tone had changed. He ordered a formal investigation into Donnelly's past conduct. A week later, Ariel's story appeared in news articles. School boards began rethinking campus policing. Lawyers reached out. Scholarships were offered. But Ariel didn't care about going viral. She cared about clarity. About justice. Point one afternoon, her teacher handed her a folder. Mock trial program at Arizona State. They only take 20 students. I submitted your name. She opened the folder. Didn't cry. Didn't smile. Just nodded. They thought she came to defend herself. But Ariel Manning came to reveal the truth. That if this story moved you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's share more powerful voices, more courage, and more truth together. See you in the next chapter.